All right. So what drugs have you used in the past?
Right from the start, Vanessa admits to using marijuana, but the judge cuts in with a sarcastic jab about stealing a Firetruck. This isn't just humor, it's the judge subtly pointing out that drug use is often just one part of a bigger problem.
Marijuana.
Okay.
And that's it.
I don't think marijuana makes you steal a fire truck.
Oh,
So is there anything else?
ice.
Okay. So how often were you using ICR 0653, State of Texas versus Vanessa Varela? Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
Defense.
John Winter for the defendant.
And are you Vanessa Varela?
Yes.
Showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
No, ma'am. I mean, yes.
Oh, that's okay. Sometimes that last question is confusing to everyone, so I'll ask it again. All right, you understand all the rights I've just explained to you?
Oh, yes.
All right, did you understand by entering a plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
No. I didn't know.
All right.
Remember we talked about how you have the right to a jury trial, the right to confront and cross-examine witnesses, and the right to remain silent?
Oh, yes.
And
yes.
remember that I said that in pleading no contest, you're going to be giving up those rights, right?
Yes.
So the judge is asking if you understand that you're giving up those rights.
Oh,
All right, do you understand that you're giving up those rights?
yes.
Okay, so I'm going to take it one at a time, okay? You understand you have the right not to testify. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You understand because you're in a plea bargain agreement, you can testify. You can be forced to testify. Do you understand that? You have to
Yes.
answer.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you understand that in cases such as this, the state would have to call witnesses to prove their case?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so because you're in a plea, the state's not going to call any witnesses. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, if the state were to call witnesses, your attorney would get a chance to ask questions of them. You understand that?
Yes.
So because you're in a plea, what that means is the state is not going to call any witnesses and your attorney is not going to get a chance to ask them questions. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So the other thing you have a right to is you have a right to have a jury trial. So because this is a felony case, there would be 12 jurors on your case and the state would have to present their evidence and a jury would decide whether or not you were guilty or not guilty. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So because you're in a plea bargain agreement, you understand you're not going to have a jury trial. Do you understand that?
Notice how carefully Judge Boyd walks Vanessa through her rights over and over. This isn't impatience, it's procedure. If a defendant doesn't clearly waive their rights, the entire plea deal could collapse on appeal.
And you understand that your attorney is not going to question anybody. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that you may have to testify. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. So do you want to continue with this plea or do you want a jury trial?
What's the agreement that we have? Do you remember what that agreement is?
Do you want to talk to her some more, counsel?
Sure, Judge.
All right. So I'll let you all discuss some more. Counsel, did you have a chance to confer with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you believe she understands the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right. So Ms. Varela, but I have to make sure on the record that you understand, okay?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to go through it again. We'll just start from this point. All right.
Okay.
So you do understand that your attorney has the opportunity to question witnesses.
Yes.
You understand by entering this plea bargain agreement that the state is not going to call any witnesses. So there's nobody for your attorney to question.
Yes.
All right. you understand that you don't have to testify. If this were a jury trial, you wouldn't have to testify. Do you understand?
Yes.
So because you are entering this plea, you may have to testify. Do you understand?
This is where Vanessa's answers start flipping between no and yes for the judge. That's a huge red flag because confusion during a plea hearing can be grounds for overturning the agreement later.
Yes.
And you understand that you have a right to a jury trial. So 12 people would sit in the jury box. The state would call their witnesses. You understand?
Yes.
So because you're entering a plea, there's not going to be a jury. You understand that?
Yes.
So did you intend to enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
No.
Okay.
Maybe just ask him.
All
I
right.
mean, yes.
All
Maybe
right.
just ask him.
Sorry.
No. So here's the thing. There's no need to be nervous. There's not going to be a trap door that opens up for you. How old are you?
19.
All right. How far did you go in school?
11.
Okay. So do you want a jury trial? Do you want to go to a jury trial where 12 people would sit in the box? It wouldn't be the people you see in the box now. It would be just 12 people who don't know anything about your case. The state would call witnesses and your attorney would have a chance to question those witnesses. Do you want a jury trial?
No. No, ma'am.
Do you want to enter into this plea?
Yes.
All right. Do both parties, the state and defense, do you believe that she understands the rights that she's giving up, defense?
Yes, Judge. And I will say that she was evaluated and she was found competent.
All right. State, do you have any objections with going forward?
No, Your Honor, I believe Mr. Hunter has spoken to his client. I haven't spoken to her personally, but I believe that he has gone over with the plea bargain and also he's gone over everything with.
Okay,
I'm
thank
good.
you. All right. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Varela, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. The state is recommending deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 696,657. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all its attachments.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, just that this is her first run-in with the law. As I stated, she was evaluated and found competent. There may be some mental health issues in here. I'm not really sure, but she is here with family. Her family has shown up every time that she's had court. Her plan is to take care of business on probation, put this behind her. She's got children who are being taken care of by their grandmother right now. So her plan is to stay with them and like I said, knock this out and put it behind her.
All right. So what drugs have you used in the past?
Marijuana.
Okay.
And that's it.
I don't think marijuana makes you steal a fire truck. So is there anything else?
Ice.
Okay. So how often were you using ice?
2 weeks.
Okay. Is there anything, and the reason why I'm asking you these questions is because I'm going to follow your agreement, but I'm trying to figure out what conditions to give you so you'll be successful, okay? So there's ice, marijuana, anything else other than those two?
No, that's it. Oh, Xanax.
Xanax?
Here we see the personal side, two young children, a grandmother stepping in, and a judge trying to balance accountability with compassion, but in court good intentions only go so far if the defendant can't follow through.
All right. Anything else?
No, that's it.
All right. So the children that your grandmother, well, is your grandmother the person who's taking care of the children? Your grandmother? How old are they?
There's 2 and 4.
And are you currently expecting or no?
No.
Okay, 2 and 4. All right. And was Child Protective Services involved, or did your grandmother just step up to take care of the 2 children?
Yes, my grandma stepped up.
Okay. All right. And are you going to be living with your grandmother?
Yes, ma'am.
And does your grandmother want you there?
Yes.
Who's the grandmother?
She's at home.
No, she's right there. All right. Could the grandmother?
Sure. And she is a Spanish speaking judge,
Do you speak Spanish?
a little bit.
Have an interpreter coming.
All right. Well, I just want to know if she's okay with her living with her.
¿Tiene problemas con Vanessa a vivir contigo?
Thank you.
Es el plan, ¿verdad? Para Vanessa a vivir contigo, ¿verdad?
Sí.
So, yes.
Yes. All right. Thank you, George. And thank you.
Sí.
All right.
Gracias. Thank you.
Gracias. De nada. That's all I know.
Well done.
All right. Thank you. All right. Come back up.
Oh, and that was her mother, not her grandmother.
So it's the grandmother to the children.
Children's grandmother.
Okay. All right. This is what I'm going to do. There's going to be a $1,500 fine that will be probated. 2 years. Well, I'm going to do 3 years deferred adjudication. Counsel, if she completes everything, you can always come back and ask for her to be terminated early.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once she completes those, then the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. So what do you want to do with the rest of your life? What are your hopes, your dreams? What's your dream job?
Working at fast food
Okay.
as manager.
Oh, awesome. Well, that can be done. So what are you going to be doing to make sure that happens?
Do my probation
Okay.
and attend my parenting classes.
All right. So I'm going to ask that you get employment too. Okay.
Yes.
So if you want to be the manager of a fast food place, and who knows, eventually own a fast food place, that means that you've got to apply to those places, because when you apply, maybe they will, but sometimes they don't. You don't come in as manager. You got to start at the bottom level, then work your way up. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And there's no harm in that. I used to work at service merchandise. It doesn't exist anymore, but I've had probably a lot of jobs, you could think of. I used to rake yards. I don't think they rake anymore. They use the blower now. People are wimps. You need to get out there with the rake in the hot sun. So I used to do that, back it up. So whatever your dreams are, that's your dream, and it's a good one. And maybe you can help McDonald's. Their fries don't taste the same anymore. All right, I'm going to take in consideration County Court Cause number 696657. I'm going to do a referral to felony drug court. I'm going to do that while she's in custody. Counsel, if you call them and tell them to expedite it, they'll expedite it, and they'll probably be able to see her this week.
Awesome, Judge.
Yes, I'm putting more work for you. So we're going to do a referral to felony drug court. And the reason why I'm doing that, because they'll help you with your drug issues, and also if there's any type of mental health issues, because I don't want to send her out into the world and then we're right back here. There'll be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, And I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And proof of employment within 45 days of release. No employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. And I'm also going to put in no unsupervised contact with minors. The only reason why I'm doing that is because of the issue with the ice and the drugs. Once she's in a program, once she's starting her parenting classes, I'll probably lift that. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need for me to be successful?
Mhm.
All right. And Vashawn, if you could put also in there that she's to reside with her mother. All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so if there's any questions that you have about anything, let probation know. If for some reason you feel as though probation is not answering your issues, you can always come back to court and let me know what they are, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Miss.
Oh, you're so welcome. And stay out of fire trucks unless they invite you, okay? Versus Vanessa Margarita Varela. Could I have parties announced for the record? State, defense,
Robert Gaona for the defendant.
and are you Ms. Varela?
Yes.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Vanessa Margarita Varela who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 0653 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on July 11, 2023 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes.
State?
When Vanessa admits to violating her probation, it's more than just a rule break. Condition 41 is part of an intensive drug court program. Missing appointments and failing tests here usually means the court's patience is gone.
Yes, Your Honor, the state wishes to proceed upon violation of condition number 41 on or about the 24th day of July 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Vanessa Margarita Varela, did and there failed to comply with the rules and regulations of felony drug court, and that the defendant failed to attend her scheduled treatment appointment in violation of condition number 40.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State? Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 41? Court will find violation of condition number 41 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is not, Your Honor, and I can proceed as required.
Excuse me, can I have the file stamp for motions to revoke? All right, state, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, the state is requesting that the court enter an adjudication of guilt against the defendant and sentence her to 12 months in the state jail facility. This defendant was placed in felony drug court on July 11th of 2023. Since then, as the court knows, that is a very intensive probation. Since then, she's failed to comply with the rules and regulations. She has had a number of failed to report, failed to calls. She did have a positive drug test back in March of 2024, but after that, she just continued to no-show. And so, due to that, the felony drug court is not able to adequately monitor her, and so that's why the state is requesting the revocation.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, we request that you deny the MTR, continue her on her deferred. The original recommendation on probation documents was moral recognition therapy with an explanation as to why they think that might be beneficial, and outpatient treatment.
All right, is there anything you wish to say? If you do, I'll place you under oath. State will have a chance to question you. All right. Is there anything else from either side?
No, yeah.
All right.
Just briefly, I just wanted to bring to your attention, safety has been held in advance previously, so I just wanted to make you aware.
All right, thank you. All right, the court is finding you guilty. The court is going to grant the motion. The court will revoke. State is requesting 12 months. Defense?
We will request a minimum or give her credit for time served, Judge, and close the case out.
All right.
I'm not sure what the date she has, but
All right, what have you done since you've been on probation? Have you done anything and completed anything successfully? Okay. Probation, has she done anything or completed any programs? How old are you?
I'm 20.
Okay.
Judge did appear she completed her parenting class.
Okay. All right. The court is going to grant the motion. The state is asking for 12 months.
Judge, we're not opposed. Apparently, she's got almost 600 days credit.
And here's the thing. I'm not inclined to give you 12 months because the only thing you've done since you've been on probation is complete parenting. That's it.
18 months in state jail for Judge Boyd. The reasoning is clear. Almost nothing was completed during probation for Vanessa. This is a turning point, a hard stop that could either be the end of the spiral or the start of change.
You haven't done anything. And there's not a reason why I should sentence you to the low end because you haven't completed anything. It's as though you were not on probation. You didn't follow through with felony drug court, and that's an intensive program, yes, but they were there to help you. You were not taking care of your child because your parents were doing that. That was the only thing you had to do on your plate. You were living with your parents. I know they were not charging you rent because from the last hearing we had, they were not charging you anything to stay there. The only thing they wanted to help you do is maintain your sobriety, and you have not done any of it. You understand? So you're being revoked because violation of condition number 41 is true. And with regards to sentencing, I consider everything that is before me, and you haven't really done anything. You understand? So the court is finding you guilty. The court will revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. Court will give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. I know you probably think your life is over because you're going to do time. Your life is not over. You still have a chance to improve yourself and to do better. If you would like, I could request that you be placed in the therapeutic community. I don't have any jurisdiction to force them to place you in the program, but it's a program that can help you and help rehabilitate you. So hopefully you won't use again. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody, but it's just something to help you. Would you like that?
Yes.
All right. And so you'll still have to request it, but I'll make sure that it's in the order that I'm requesting the therapeutic community for you. When you're released, if you have drug issues and you feel as though you can't find a place on your own, if I'm still here, you can come back to court. I'll pick up the phone and call somebody to take you in. Okay? All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Good luck on your trial, counsel.